Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. So myself Bala here, and I'm welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to give you some clear your doubts and questions on recent scanner which you have made this consolidation breakout. So yesterday's video we created 5 minutes and 15 minutes. In the previous video which we created a daily based scanner. So how it works for intraday, that was working good, and when to take that valid signal. So first you need to confirm that how many percentage which you are planning the consolidation. Here the number which is adjustable, so where you can change whatever the percentage which you want to look. So here I'm just giving you 0.5%. So 20 candles maximum. So the first trade, if it is happening on 20 candles, so if you are calculating the exact time up to 11:50, you have to wait. So after 11:50, any stocks which came into the scanner that forms inside are the very consolidation of that what percentage which you are making, that would be happen on the same day. So that means the scanner will calculate the past 20 candles. That is the logic which we have created with the scanner. So I have some comments on my WhatsApp how we can take the entry. So that's why I make the video. And let me understood. It is the scanner will fetch you last 20 candles. Okay. So last 20 candle means so previous 20 candles. So 20 candles is the calculation as per the scanner. So we can modify so time frame like a 30 candle or 40 candle or even more, so which we can create. Okay, so what exactly I'm just looking for last 20 candle. For example, if this particular candle like 9:30 to 35. So if we got a signal from this level means it will be calculating previous 20 candles. Only 4 candles from today and remaining 16 candles from yesterday. So it is calculating today's level as well as previous day level. So is it not a valid one? So if you are looking for an intraday, because it is calculating today's level as well as previous day's level. So if you are calculating 20 candle means if you are calculating after 10:15, so you will be exactly 20 candles in the same day. But if you are using a 15 minutes or more than that, we will be calculating the previous day level also. But if you are using a 5-minute scanner, so most probably that would be worth the stock from the day. It is very narrow or range bound, and either it is closed upside or a downside. Maybe we can expect some breakout. So that is what the confusion. I hope you cleared about this thing. But if you are using a 15 minutes, so most probably around 2 o'clock, if you are looking for a 15 minutes, 20 candles back. So if you are calculating 20 candles, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, in 20. So around 2 o'clock only the 20 candles will be finished. So next 5 candles would be there. Totally 15 minutes if you are calculating 15 minutes. It's a 25 candles. I will be explaining one more scanner along with the same pattern for a day. Particular day it isn't very range bound like consolidation. Okay. So 25 candle, if you are making a 25 candle means that would fetch you the entire day. So I will explain you. But if you are using a 5 minutes time frame, you can count the number of candles from 20. So 2, 4, 8, 6, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So exactly 10, 15. So if you are funding any stocks after 10, 15, that 20 bars would be in the same day only. If you are getting 9:30, 9:45, 10 o'clock, 10:30, that would be fetching today's some candles and yesterday's some candles. But for a 5 minutes intraday, you don't go for it. Okay, so today's backtest report I am just showing you based on the yesterday's scanner. Here the first one which we got it at 12:05 only. But previously we don't get any of the scanner. But you can see at 9:15 we have some stocks. 9:15. So today 4th. But so this candle may break, but past 19 candles or 20 candles from previous day. So let me check this. Whether I tell you this may not be good for an intraday. So this is a Nifty. If you are comparing past 20 candles, because it is a due to gap up or a gap down. So today it closed about to the range. If you are calculating past 20 candles, today it closed and it should be a range bound, but we should avoid this in the first candle. The same like that TCS, it will be calculating the previous level and it doesn't match with today's levels. Okay, so maybe a opening gap up, and Nifty also be there in the list, maybe a gap up or gap down, so you may be finding that. So when this is a lower level, but comparing last 20 candle, it is a perfect range bound or a perfect consolidation, and today it is gap down, but after that reversal which also happened. So to avoid that only, I just telling you, if you are using 5 minutes, so you should use after 10:50 or 10:55 around 11 o'clock. So this can, after that, if you find any stock, that consolidation will happen on the same day itself. So we have a few more stocks based on the consolidation. India Mart is the one. The time which is happening 12:05, 12 o'clock 5 minutes. India Mart, which you are going to check consolidation, and what we are looking for exactly the 5.5%. If you are looking at a 12.5, maybe here, yes, you can see it is breaks on the upside, where you can see breaks on upside 12.5. So how it is breaks on the upside, if you are calculating previous 20 candle, it is very narrow. So if you are calculating the levels comparing from this before the 20 candle, it is 0.5% less than. Okay, here 15 bars. So at this candle, so we need to calculate from here to here. So to 22 bars up to the previous one from here. Okay, so it isn't exactly less than 0.5 if you're avoiding this. Let me check exactly from this candle to up to this candle. So 19 and along this 20. Okay, so 20 bars, it is less than 0.5, and this candle which is closed, we may be trying for an opportunity, and this would be a stop loss below the low, that 0.5%. That was triggered on the 0.5%, but after that there is a huge move. The reversal also happened. But even after triggering the stop loss, the stock would be still on the list. Then it will be simply telling you it will never repaint. Whether it is a stop loss or a target, it moves or not moves, the stock would be staying on the list. Then it is giving you the valid thing, and you can't get any repaint kind of signals. So we have some more stocks at Pidilite around 12:35. So this is on the same day. 12:35, where is the candle? Here is this 12:35 candle. After the low or after the close, if you are looking for 3239, and maybe the consolidation, where you can easily know the consolidation would be less than a 0.5% up to previous candle. So we have taken 19 bars, so 0.45%. But after the trigger, the particular candle, and market moves more than 1.5%. So that is what exactly what is to 3. So 0.5% risk, 1.5 maximum will move down. So that is what conditions which you have created with this particular candle. So Manapuram, so here exactly 12:35, and this is also moves very well, because we know very well our risk may be 0.5 because which you are used, and it is almost 1.8%, and United Split. There is a same 12:35. Here is the candle 12:35. There is a move, and it is moving lower almost 1.3%. The maximum stop which you are keeping is less than 0.5%, because the consolidation is here, where exactly see it is less than 1% on last 20 bars, 0.5% less than in last 20 bars. That's a logic which you have created, and after that there is a good downside move. But initially market positive, but after this formation, and we got some opportunity, and then Manapuram again 12:40, and comparing the previous one also, Manapuram 12:35, and then here also be the same, comparing this candle, avoiding this candle, and then next one it is also be the same. And again we have one more stock about India. About India, so the time frame is 12:45. So maybe this particular candle previously less than 0.5%, and this candle after that there is a good move. Okay, so this consolidation is works very well. So you maybe try for an intraday Cipla around 115. It's an intraday. 115, sorry, 115, where it is in 115. this is the candle exactly closed below, and a perfect consolidation, and then this candle gives you the signal, but there is a huge drop. Maybe we are waiting for the such a kind of move only, so we are looking for an 0.5%, and then it went to more than 3%. That is what the consolidation. Okay, so one more thing which we have to add it here. So 15 minutes, for example, if I'm going to make 25 candles, back to 25 candles, 25, everything you have to change 25 for one day full consolidation. I will tell you that 25, 25, and the all time frame would be 15 minutes. So if you are changing the code and whatever the thing which you can modify, and all the scanners which is updated on my premium group, those who are a member, so you can get the premium group. The scanners are already updated, and you maybe change whatever the time frame which you want. So you can also get back test and everything. So 15 minutes, it will be showing you few number of stocks. This is what 9:15, and this is what 2:30, 9:15. If anything which has happened, then it would be a previous day entirely Nifty. For example, if you are looking at Nifty, this is happening by 39 on 15 minutes time frame. So let me check Nifty 26. Yeah. So this is what an opportunity where we find out the previous day it's an entirely by 0.5%, sir. So if you are high and low, it was trading in between the 0.5% entire day, full day. So if you are comparing high and low, it is a 0.5%. Next day by the gap down. So previous 25 candle is the one day, purely one day. So this is happening, and the next day it is downside breakout. Maybe that high is a stop loss, but unfortunately it is generating a huge benefit. So instead of that 0.5, I'll be changing 1% maybe to find out any stocks. Yesterday the stock which is trading in between 1%. So here on the date 3rd October, Nifty and Bank Nifty on 310. 3rd October, this is the 27th, or what we are done, 0.1. So 3rd October, the time which you have to check it, 9:15. Yeah, previous day 1st October, it's an entirely inside, and the next day it is down. So maybe we will be trying for a selling opportunity. That's okay. Let me check any stocks. 215, and this may be a Nifty and Bank Nifty only because it's an index. And here something around October 1st is Tata Consumer. Something like that, you can change it. The time frame is 11 o'clock on 1st of October. Exactly this one. If you are comparing about avoiding this two candles, and maybe around last 20 candles are from this back, it is less than 1%, and then it is closed on the 11 o'clock candle, and after that there is a big downside move. Maybe our stop loss would be on the high of that particular candle. I hope you understood how here we can't able to take a range like 10 days to 15 days, 10 days to 30 days. We have to fix the exact number to find the range bound for your either intraday or a positional, or even you can use it for a daily basis also. So you can reduce the number of percentage to find out the consolidation, and the days also you can plan with that, and you will be able to find out such a breakout stocks and something like that. Intraday also we will be easily getting such a kind of thing. And I hope you understood the concept, and thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you so much, and thanks for supporting and subscribing the channel. Those who are already subscribed, thank you so much. We'll meet you on next video. Thank you.